In this training video, we'll be going over the work authorization form. In other words, you will get your permission to do the job with this form, work authorization. So as you can see, we are in the Projects tab. This is the project that you're already in for the owner insured, John Bushnell. You will pick this button, Work Authorization. You can go directly to it. So this is your work authorization form. So your logo will appear and your company information, always automatic off of your cover sheet and also from your programming before. But the owner insured's name is John Bushnell. That's automatically transferred from the call report. That comes over automatically. Your address as well. And if there's a claim number, that will show up as well. The legal verbiage that you already have in here from before. And you have a note box if you need to use that as well. So here, you'd click on here, and then this box would drop down for the owner's signature. So let them sign. This would be in the field on your laptop or your tablet. And just click OK. And then your company, same thing. Click on there. And you'd sign right there. It's simple as that. And the dates would automatically populate as well. So it's just that easy to start your work authorization form. Very, very important that you do this so you can have permission to start your job. To your success, and thank you for watching.